Washington and Lee University Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a student or faculty member at Washington and Lee University, the official app promises to simplify campus life, but how well does it deliver? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming campus apps are limited to class schedules. The app offers access to course materials, campus maps, event notifications, and even dining menus, all in one place. Students can check grades, register for classes, and communicate with professors, making day-to-day academic life much easier. Another advantage is integration with campus services. The app links to the library, athletics, and campus security alerts, providing a central hub for everything from checking out books to staying informed during emergencies. Push notifications keep you updated on deadlines, events, and important announcements. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional glitches during peak registration periods or when syncing course materials. The interface can feel cluttered, with many features hidden under menus, making navigation less intuitive for first-time users. Additionally, offline access is limited, so some resources are unavailable without an internet connection. In conclusion, the Washington and Lee University app is a powerful tool for students and faculty, offering convenience, integration, and timely updates. The surprising truth is that while it covers almost every campus need, it requires patience to learn its full navigation and occasional workarounds for glitches. For students and faculty looking to streamline schedules, stay informed, and access resources quickly, this app is invaluable, but always allow extra time during busy periods like registration or exams.